Cooking chicken breast is like filing your taxes, necessary, but often feared. Except today we're adding mushrooms as our accountant to make everything easier and 100% tastier. Trust me, this recipe is foolproof, even if your cooking skills aren't. Start with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. The pain point, dry chicken. Nobody likes eating what feels like chalk. To prevent that tragedy, lay them flat, cover with plastic wrap, and pound them gently until they're even in thickness. Pro tip, use a wine bottle if you don't have a mallet. Seasoning is where things get personal. I go with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika for that smoky aroma. Simple spices, big payoff. Rub this spice mix all over the chicken so no bite feels like you missed a section. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and drizzle in some olive oil. Cook the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Don't keep flipping it like it owes you money. Let it develop a golden brown crust that screams flavor. Here's the awkward step, removing the chicken. Yes, you just worked so hard for that crust, but trust me. Set the chicken aside for now. We aren't done with it yet. This step ensures the chicken stays juicy while we work on the mushrooms. Throw some butter into the same skillet, about 2 tablespoons. Now add sliced mushrooms. A mix of baby bellas and shiitake works magic, but if all you've got are regular white mushrooms, they'll do just fine. Cook these until golden and fragrant. The mushrooms are thirsty, so pour in half a cup of chicken stock, followed by a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This is where the real richness kicks in. Stir occasionally and don't rush it. Slow cooking means creamy and luxurious. Add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for an extra layer of complexity to the sauce. If you're feeling fancy, sprinkle in fresh thyme or a pinch of dried Italian herbs. It's the little things that set home cooking apart from canned food. Now that lonely chicken, slide it back into the skillet and spoon that luxurious mushroom sauce over the top. Cover the pan and let the chicken simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. The goal is perfection. No pink in the center, but still juicy. Easiest way to check? Use a meat thermometer. 165 degrees Fahrenheit is what you're aiming for. Don't guess. Guessing is what ruins good chicken. And frankly, it's just basic food safety. Plus, you've come this far? Don't wing it now. The end result? Chicken that's so tender, it practically falls apart when you cut it. Mushrooms loaded with creamy flavor, serve it over mashed potatoes, rice, or just eat it straight out of the pan. No judgment. The impact here is clear. You took a $10 chicken breast and made it taste like a $40 meal you'd order at a bistro. Plus, no dry chicken. Ever again. Cooking wins don't come easier than this.